Hello and welcome to 591 Lab, AWS Cloud Practitioner Exam Questions and Answers Review. 591 Lab is the top IT training and certification exam brand in China, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and Singapore. Our mission at 591 Lab is to provide our clients with exceptional exam preparation, experience for certification in Cisco, Y, Aruba, Juniper, Palo Alto, and Fortinet exams. AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam validates foundational, high-level understanding of AWS Cloud services and terminology. This is a good starting point on the AWS certification journey for individuals with no prior IT or cloud experience, switching to a cloud carrier, or for line of business employees looking for foundational cloud literacy. AWS Cloud Practitioner exam duration is 90 minutes. The number of questions approximately 65, either multiple choices or multiple responses, and the exam cost is $100. Earning this certification validates high-level understanding of AWS Cloud services and terminology. This certification serves as an entry point to the cloud carrier for candidates from non-IT backgrounds or switching to cloud. Job listings required AWS Cloud Certified Cloud Practitioner have increased 84% last year. Per light-faced October 2022, this certification is also ideal for line of business employees who want to gain cloud literacy and communicate more effectively with technical teams and customers. In this course, we will focus on multiple choice questions related to this course, designed to test your knowledge and understanding of AWS core principles and services. This discussion aims to help you better grasp the foundation of AWS and prepare for the certification exam by addressing these multiple choice questions. So let's get started. Question number 1. Which AWS services make use of global edge locations? Select two answers. The choices are AWS Fargate, Amazon CloudFront, AWS Global Accelerator, AWS Wavelength, and Amazon VPC. The correct answers are Amazon CloudFront and AWS Global Accelerator. Amazon CloudFront is a content delivery service that uses a network of edge locations around the world to deliver content to users with low latency. And AWS Global Accelerator is a service that uses a global network of edge locations to route traffic to the optimal AWS endpoint based on health, geography, and routing policies. AWS Fargate, Wavelength, and Amazon VPC do not directly make use of global edge locations for content delivery or traffic routing. These services serve different purposes within AWS. Question number 2. A company wants durable storage for static content and infinitely scalable data storage infrastructure as the lowest cost. Which AWS service should the company choose? Answer A. Amazon Elastic Block Store or EBS, Amazon S3, AWS Storage Gateway, or Amazon Elastic File System. Correct answer is Amazon S3. Amazon S3 is designed for storing and retrieving data with high durability, scalability, and low cost. It is an excellent choice for static content storage and offers a highly reliable and cost-effective solution for a wide range of use cases, including hosting, static website, data backups, and serving content through the internet. Elastic Block Store is a block storage volume for use with the Amazon EC2 instances. It's not designed for storing static content or scalable data storage. It's more suitable for attaching storage volumes to EC2 instance or application that require block storage. Storage Gateway is a hybrid cloud storage service that connects on-premises environments with cloud storage, but it's not a direct solution for durable storage of static content or scalable data storage. Elastic File System provides scalable and shared file storage for EC2 instances, but it may not cost-effective solution for storing static content and it does not inherently offer the same level of durability and low cost as Amazon S3 for this specific use cases. Question number 3. Which type of AWS storage is ephemeral and is deleted when an Amazon EC2 instance is stopped or terminated? Answer A. Amazon Elastic Block Store or EBS. Answer B. Amazon EC2 instance store volumes. Answer C. Amazon Elastic File System or EFS. And answer D. Amazon S3. The correct answer is Amazon EC2 instance store volume. Amazon EC2 instance store, also known as ephemeral storage or instance storage, is local storage that is physically attached to EC2 instances. It is designed for temporary data and does not persist if the EC2 instance is stopped or terminated. This storage type is often used for temporary storage or caching purposes where data loss is acceptable. EBS provides block-level storage volumes that can be attached to Amazon EC2 instances. EBS volumes are persistent and can be detached from one EC2 instance and attached to another without losing data. They are not deleted when an EC2 instance is stopped or terminated. Elastic File Service provides scalable and shared file storage that can be mounted to multiple EC2 instances. It is a network-attached storage solution and is not deleted when an EC2 instance is stopped or terminated. It retains data independently for the lifecycle of the EC2 instances. Amazon S3 is a durable object storage service that is not associated with EC2 instances directly. It is not ephemeral and does not get deleted when an EC2 instance is stopped or terminated. It is designed for storing data that needs to persist over time, and it is separate from EC2 instances lifecycle policies. Question number 4. A company is running a workload in the AWS Cloud. Which AWS best practice ensures the most cost-effective architecture for the workload? The correct answer is right sizing. Right sizing is the practice of adjusting the capacity of your AWS resources to match the actual requirements of your workload. By carefully analyzing and selecting the appropriate instance types, storage options, and configurations, you can avoid over-provisioning or under-provisioning, which can result in unnecessary cost. Resizing helps you optimize your AWS cost by aligning resources capacity with your workload's specific needs. While the other option A, C, and D are also important architectural consideration for various reasons, right sizing directly addresses cost efficiency by ensuring that you are not paying for resources that are too large or too small for your workload. It is a crucial aspect of cost optimization in the AWS Cloud. Question number 5. Which AWS Service Cloud on an administrator used to provide desktop environments for several employees? Answer A. AWS Organization. B. AWS Fargate. C. AWS Web Application Firewall or WAF. And answer D. AWS Workspaces. The correct answer is answer D. AWS Workspaces. AWS Workspaces is a service that allows you to create and manage cloud-based desktop environments for your employees. It provides a scalable and secure way to offer virtual desktops with various operating system and software application to users, making it a suitable solution for providing desktop environments to multiple employees in the cloud. AWS Organization is a service for managing multiple AWS accounts within an organization. AWS Fargate is a serverless compute engine for containers, and Web Application Firewall is a web application firewall service that helps protect your web application from common web exploits and attacks. Question number 6. Which AWS service is used to track, record, and audit configuration changes made to AWS resources? Answer A. AWS Shield. Answer B. AWS Config. Answer C. IAM. And answer D. Amazon Spectre. The correct answer is AWS Config. AWS Config is a service that enables you to assist, audit, and monitor the configuration changes to your AWS resources. It continuously tracks and records changes to resources configurations, allowing you to evaluate the impact of those changes, troubleshoot operational issues, and maintain compliance with your desired configurations. It provides detailed insights into resources configuration history and can trigger notification and automated action based on configuration changes. This service is essential for configuration management and auditing in AWS environment. AWS Shield is a managed DDoS protection service. It is focused on protecting your application and resources from DDoS attacks. IAM is a service for managing users for resource access permission in AWS. It helps control who can access AWS resources and what action they can perform. AWS Inspector is a security assessment service that helps you identify security vulnerabilities in the applications and workloads. It performs security assessments rather than tracking and auditing configuration changes to AWS resources. Question number 7. Which AWS service or feature gives user the ability to capture information about network traffic in a VPC? Answer A, VPC flow logs. Answer B, Amazon Inspector. Answer C, VPC route tables. Or answer D, AWS Cloud Trail. The correct answer is VPC flow logs. VPC flow logs enables you to capture and log information about the IP traffic going to and from network interfaces in a VPC. These logs can be used for various purposes, including monitoring, troubleshooting, and security analysis of network traffic within your VPC. VPC flow logs provide insights into the traffic patterns, source and destination IP addresses, ports, and more. It is a valuable tool for network monitoring and analysis within AWS VPC. The other options are not directly related to capturing network traffic information in a VPC. Amazon Inspector is a security assessment service. VPC route tables are used for controlling the routing and network traffic within a VPC. And Cloud Trail is used to capture API call history and action taken on AWS resources, providing an audit trail for AWS account activity. It is not specific to capturing network traffic information within a VPC. Question number 8. A company needs a fully managed file server that natively supports Microsoft workloads and file systems. The file server must also support the SMB protocol or server message block protocol. Which AWS service should the company use to meet these requirements? Answer A, Amazon Elastic File System or EFS. Answer B, FSx for Lustre. Answer C, FSx for Windows File Server. Or answer D, Amazon Elastic Block Store or EBS. The correct answer is Amazon FSx for Windows File Server. FSx is a fully managed file storage service that is designed to natively support Microsoft workloads and file systems, including server message block or SMB protocol. It is suitable for hosting Windows-based applications and workloads, providing shared file storage, and is fully integrated with Microsoft Active Directory for user authentication and access control. This service is the ideal choice for Windows Server workloads in the AWS environment. The other option, A, B, or D, do not fully meet the requirements. Amazon Elastic File Server is a storage service, but it may not provide the native Windows support and SMB compatibility required for Microsoft workloads. Amazon FSx for Lustre is designed for high-performance computing workloads and may not be the best choice for hosting Windows File Server system and supporting SMB. EBS is a block-level storage service and it is suitable for providing a fully managed file server with SMB support for Microsoft workloads. Thank you all for attending today's class at 591 Lab. We hope you found the material informative and helpful. Remember, practice is critical to mastering any new skill, so review the course content and keep practicing with 591 Lab help and support. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us. We appreciate your participation and look forward to seeing you in our future classes. Have a great day.